Now here, I'm discussing about the Google AdWords Express. That is called, if anybody go into Google, I'm clicking for digital marketing training like this. Digital marketing training. They can show for ads will be above. The ads is called Google AdWords. Here one more option is showing for through mapping, they're showing for ad. This is called Google AdWords Express. We can promote our keyword through our mapping. That is called generating your traffic and your direction of your storefront. Third one is called, you can promote your mobile number. Just one click. One mapping promote will be three various. One is called your direction, your website. Third one is your phone number. Now your ad will display by 1. If anyone searching for digital marketing training, the ad will display by mapping only for 1. See here, if you come into footer, any ads are there? Nothing. Only one ad will be displayed, that is called ADNOI, Digital Marketing Training Institute in Hyderabad. Suppose you are searching for here, Hyderabad. See this one. The first one, this is called your second one here. How many ads will be displayed? The first ad, this will be second ad. Is it clear? So how to create this kind of ads using for Google AdWords Express? Please write down URL google.com/AdWords/Express. Now here google.com/AdWords/Express. If you forget the URL, we can't sign up your account. First of all, sign up your Google AdWords. Now here remember, once you sign up your Google AdWords, we can't sign up your AdWords Express. Is a previous rule. Now new rule will be we can log in with two options. First option is AdWords. Second option will be AdWords Express. Without login AdWords, we can't log in for AdWords Express. First login for Google AdWords. That is called google.com/AdWords. That is called Google AdWords purpose. AdWords Express. google.com/AdWords/Express. First to sign up, always remember AdWords. Second sign up will be AdWords Express. Now here, first of all, I'm go to option here. google.com/AdWords/Express. I can open here. Now click for sign in. Before signing, see this one. Online marketing strategies to get more customers. This is for AdWords Express. Please write down online marketing strategies to get more customers. Online marketing strategies to get more customers. That is called PPC, pay per click. That is called Google AdWords Express. Now see here, I'm clicking this one. This is my businesses. These are all my mappings here. The mapping will decide by this. Please write down how to check your my mappings. business.google.com. How to check my business mappings. That is called business.google.com. Now here, this is my mappings here already. In this mapping, we can promote that is called Rakesh Tech solution. If anybody searching for digital marketing services, they can show my mapping will be like this. I'm searching here. It is called Rakesh Tech solutions. They're showing for my mapping. So my keyword is, if anybody searching for digital marketing services, digital marketing training, my mapping will be like this. That is called I'm creating for campaign for Google AdWords Express. Now first of all, go to AdWords Express, select your mapping, Rakesh Tech solutions. Is there here? No. Which mapping you can select here will be here. Suppose I'm selecting for website design development company in Hyderabad. I can select it. Any campaigns are there here? No campaigns here. Now click. I select for one more is what is called Rakesh Tech solution. How many ads will be there here? 8 ads. This I'm creating for 8 ads will be using Google AdWords Express. Now here you can create for new ad. Now click here. The option call is create new ad. Without mapping, we can't create Google AdWords Express. Please note down. Without mapping, we can't create Google AdWords Express. So that is called AdWords Express completely depend by your mappings. Now here, create new ad. Now here, call your business, visit your storefront, take an action your website. So my assumption is get my phone calls. My assumption is get my phone calls. Now click for call your business. There will be two options. Your primary, get new customer over the phone. Want to talk customer before setting an appointment or bookings. Now here, this is call your business option. My question is, if anybody asking interview, how to generate phone calls on your business using Google AdWords Express. This is the option. Option is called call your business. You highlight your mobile number. Now click for pick the goal. Now you can promote will be two various. One is called nearby your business. Nothing but your nearby your pin code number. Second thing is specific cities, state or countries. You can promote US, UK, Australia or Hyderabad, India, any place. See here, I can promote only for India. Select it. How much potential traffic is? Will be showing here 24 crores, 68 lakhs, 62,129. Every month traffic will be increased on your potential traffic. Now here, my target will be total India. Just come to here, click for next. Now, your language, you can select only for one language, that is called English. Now here, my market is digital marketing. Done. Now you can select your keywords one by one. What are my keyword? Digital marketing, services in Hyderabad. If anyone searching this keyword, they can show my mapping on Google search results. Digital marketing agency. Now clear? Service will done. Agency done. Last one. You can add in here. So what are my potential? 4 lakhs 72,601. Now here. This is the second step. Add your language. Add your main category. Add your keywords. This is a step 2. Category and keywords and your language selection. Click for next. Now you can show your headline. Headline 1, headline 2 and description. Write down headline will be 30 characters. Headline 2 will be 30 characters. Description will be 80 characters. Now here, headline 1, headline 2 and this is called description. 30 and 80 characters. Interview asking for best important option is called is headline 1, headline 2, headline. This is called your description. Headline 1, 30 characters. Headline will be 2 will be 30 characters. Description will be 80 characters. AdWords, AdWords Express. We can't change these three options. Now here you can generate traffic for where your landing page. This is very important. Where you can land your page, maybe main domain or particular page. Now you can go with the particular page only. Why? Because I can traffic generate by particular page. This is called digital marketing services page. Now I can open my website here. All the default one option will be there. You can show him for two options. One is your website. Second will be mapping address. This is called drive traffic for your website. Second thing will be storefront. But my assumption is get phone call. So I can go to the particular page option here. In this, I'm selecting for here services. Copy this URL. Select it. Paste it. Done. Is it clear? But the display URL will be main URL. But landing page will be destination URL. That is called service page. Now click for next. Now here add your 3 images, 3 logos. First I'm adding images here. When upload any images, size will be 600 into 314 and 1200 by 628. Now upload your image. Just select your images. In this one, I'm selecting for complete for 3 images. Now adding here 3 images. Don't forget the size 600 into 314 by up to 1200 into 628. After that, select your logos. These 3 images and 3 logos designed by your complete ads. The ads will be total display by total 20 ads. 3 images and 3 logos. Now select it. Upload here. You can share my logo. Now logo size will be 128 by 128 will be up to 1200 by 1200. They can show complete size. Now click for done. 128 by 128 to 1200 by 1200. Now see this my ads complete. They can show ad will be showing for complete for 20 ads. Now click here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Total I'm going to display 20 ads. I'm using for Google AdWords Express. Now click for next. You can turn on your mobile number. You can change your mobile number. Simple option. Add your mobile number here. The location we can add. You change your mobile number also. US, UK, UAE. Any number you can change by your options. Now my mobile number is selected here. Click for next. My assumption is get more occurs call tracking with your forwarding numbers. Next will be gain insight into the time, duration and location of calls. The 2 option my target. Turn on verified calls. Click for next. I can fix my budget for 150 rupees per day. Monthly will be 4,560 rupees. This is the monthly views. This is the monthly clicks. First one will be views call impression. Below one call views. That is called your phone call we're getting for through your mobile number. This is not for day. This is complete different designed by your monthly place. First one 297 to 506 impression. Clicks 50 to 85. Phone call will getting for per month.